Homesteading is a lifestyle that has been around for centuries, but in recent years it has experienced a resurgence in popularity. For many people, homesteading represents a return to a simpler, more self-sufficient way of life. It is a lifestyle that emphasizes the values of hard work, self-reliance, and a deep connection to the land. While homesteading is not for everyone, it offers many benefits to those who choose to pursue it. One of the most significant benefits of homesteading is the ability to grow your own food. When you have control over what you're growing and how it's grown, you can ensure that you're getting the freshest, healthiest produce possible. This can be especially important for those who are concerned about the quality and safety of the food they consume. When you grow your own food, you can be sure that it is free from harmful chemicals and pesticides, and you can harvest it at the peak of ripeness for maximum flavor and nutrition. In addition to fresh produce, many homesteaders raise their own livestock for meat, dairy, and eggs. This can be a great way to ensure that the animals are treated humanely and that the meat is of the highest quality. For those who are concerned about the environmental impact of factory farming, homesteading can provide a more sustainable and ethical alternative. Another benefit of homesteading is the opportunity to reduce your carbon footprint. When you're growing your own food and raising your own animals, you're reducing your reliance on industrial agriculture and the associated environmental impact. You're also likely to use less energy and produce less waste than if you were living in a more traditional suburban or urban setting. Many homesteaders also use renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to further reduce their impact on the environment. Homesteading can also provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. When you're responsible for providing for yourself and your family, every day is filled with meaningful work. Homesteading can be hard work, but it's also incredibly rewarding. There's something satisfying about being able to grow your own food, raise your own animals, and live a self-sufficient lifestyle. Many homesteaders also enjoy the challenge of learning new skills and adapting to the changing seasons and weather conditions. Another benefit of homesteading is the opportunity to build a sense of community and connection. Homesteading is often a communal activity, and many homesteaders enjoy sharing knowledge, skills, and resources with one another. This can be a great way to meet like-minded people and build a supportive community. Homesteading groups and organizations can provide a wealth of resources, from advice on raising livestock to tips on preserving food. Homesteading can also provide a sense of security and independence. When you're growing your own food and producing your own energy, you're less reliant on outside sources for your basic needs. This can be especially important in times of economic uncertainty or political instability. Homesteading can also be a great way to save money on groceries and other household expenses. By growing your own food and producing your own energy, you can reduce your monthly bills and put more money back into your pocket. Finally, homesteading can provide a deeper connection to the natural world. When you're living close to the land, you're more aware of the changing seasons, weather patterns, and natural rhythms of the earth. This can provide a greater appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Homesteading can also provide a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving the environment for future generations. In conclusion, homesteading is a lifestyle that offers many benefits, from fresh, healthy food,